Hey everyone! Welcome to the Grow Goal channel, your go-to channel for personal development and life transformation. Have you ever felt like your dreams are just out of reach, no matter how hard you try? Countless people struggle to turn their aspirations into reality, feeling stuck in a cycle of setting goals but never quite reaching them. But what if I told you there's a proven roadmap that can guide you step by step to achieve your goals and make your dreams come true? However, it's important to note that goal achievement isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. Different goals require different strategies, and what works for one person might not work for another. That's why our roadmap is designed to be flexible and adaptable, taking into account your unique circumstances, strengths, and challenges. Additionally, we'll explore the potential pitfalls and limitations of goal achievement, such as the dangers of becoming too fixated on a single goal or ignoring other important aspects of life. We'll discuss how to strike a healthy balance and avoid the trap of sacrificing your well-being or relationships in the pursuit of success. So, let's dive into the step-by-step guide to the goal achievement roadmap. Step 1. Clarify your vision. Before you can embark on the journey to achieving your goals, you need to have a crystal clear vision of what you want to accomplish. Take the time to reflect on your deepest desires, passions, and aspirations. What is the dream that sets your soul on fire? Once you've identified your vision, write it down in vivid detail, as if you've already achieved it. This exercise will not only solidify your goal but also ignite the passion and motivation necessary to see it through. For example, instead of simply writing, "Start a business," describe in vivid detail what that business looks like. Is it a cozy neighborhood coffee shop with plush couches and exposed brick walls where locals can relax and socialize? Or is it an innovative tech startup that develops cutting-edge apps to simplify people's lives? Get specific on the type of products, services, the customer experience, the company culture and values, etc. Envision how achieving this goal will make you feel the sense of pride, freedom, and fulfillment as your own boss. Step 2. Break it down. Now that you have a clear vision, it's time to break it down into smaller, actionable steps. Trying to tackle a massive goal all at once can be overwhelming and demotivating. Instead, break it down into manageable milestones and create a timeline for achieving each one. This not only makes the journey feel more attainable but also provides a sense of progress and accomplishment along the way. Let's say your goal is to run a marathon. Realistic milestones could include: research and choose a training plan for beginner. Sign up for a local marathon 9 months away. Follow a 6-month training schedule, gradually increasing mileage. Do strength training 2 times a week to avoid injury. Run the marathon. Having a specific timeline with smaller, progressive steps makes the larger goal feel manageable. Step 3. Identify obstacles and develop strategies. Every journey towards a meaningful goal will inevitably encounter obstacles and challenges. The key is to anticipate these roadblocks and develop strategies to overcome them. Identify potential obstacles, whether they're internal, like self-doubt or procrastination, or external, like financial constraints or time limitations. For each obstacle, brainstorm solutions and contingency plans to keep you on track. If your goal is to write a book, potential obstacles could include lack of time due to work or family obligations, writer's lack of inspiration, self-doubt about your abilities, and potential rejection from publishers. Strategies to overcome these could include: waking up 1-2 hours earlier to write before work, joining an online writers group for feedback and motivation, keeping an ideas journal to capture thoughts, practicing positive self-talk affirmations, and researching self-publishing options. Step 4. Cultivate a growth mindset. Achieving big dreams requires a mindset shift. From a fixed mindset that sees obstacles as insurmountable barriers, to a growth mindset that embraces challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. Develop a habit of reframing setbacks as valuable lessons and celebrate small wins along the way. Surround yourself with a supportive network of people who believe in your vision and can offer encouragement when the going gets tough. If you encounter a setback like failing to meet a writing deadline or having a draft chapter rejected by your writers group, view it as an opportunity to improve your skills rather than quitting. Study feedback to understand where you fell short and use it as motivation to work on those areas. Celebrate milestones like finishing a chapter draft by going out for a nice meal or treating yourself to a small reward. Step 5. Prioritize and manage your time. Time is our most precious resource, and effective time management is crucial for goal achievement. Learn to prioritize your tasks and activities based on their importance and impact on your goals. Eliminate time wasters and distractions that derail your progress. Implement productivity techniques like time blocking to maximize your focus and efficiency. If your goal is to get a promotion at work, prioritize activities like upgrading skills, networking, and preparing for interviews over trivial tasks like aimless social media browsing. Step 6. Embrace accountability. Accountability is a powerful tool for staying on track and maintaining momentum. Find an accountability partner or join a supportive community of like-minded individuals who share your goals. Regular check-ins, progress updates, and constructive feedback can provide the motivation and course correction needed to overcome obstacles and stay committed to your vision. If your goal is to start a business, join an entrepreneurship group or online forum where you can share progress updates, ask for advice, and be motivated by others on the same journey. Commit to checking in weekly on your milestones like completing your business plan, finalizing your product, service, or launching your website. Having a supportive community and accountability partners increases your commitment. Step 7. Celebrate and reflect. As you achieve each milestone along your journey, take the time to celebrate your progress and reflect on the lessons learned. Acknowledging your accomplishments, no matter how small, will fuel your motivation and reinforce the belief that you can achieve your ultimate goal. Use these reflections to refine your strategies and make adjustments as needed, ensuring that you're always moving in the right direction. If you achieved a fitness goal like running your first 5 kilometers, celebrate with a massage or special meal. But also reflect on what went well with your training. For example, did you stay consistent with your schedule? What motivated you to keep going? What could be improved for your next goal, like better cross-training or nutrition planning? Constantly analyzing your progress and refining your approach leads to greater success. While following a step-by-step roadmap to goal achievement is powerful, it's important to be aware of potential pitfalls that can arise. Pitfall 1. Becoming overly fixated on a single goal. One danger is becoming so laser-focused on a particular goal that you neglect other important areas of your life. For example, if your goal is to get a promotion at work, you may end up sacrificing your health, relationships, or hobbies in single-minded pursuit of that ambition. This can lead to burnout, resentment, and an unhealthy imbalance. The key is to maintain perspective. While chasing a big goal, be sure to still allocate time and energy to the other aspects of life that are important to your overall well-being and happiness. Set boundaries, take breaks when needed, and don't let one goal completely consume you. Pitfall 2. Ignoring emerging opportunities. Another pitfall is being so attached to a specific goal that you ignore new potentially better opportunities that arise along the way. You become blind to alternative paths that could get you to the same desired outcome more efficiently, or open up possibilities you hadn't considered. Remain open-minded and adaptable. Regularly re-evaluate your goals and methods to ensure you aren't stubbornly persisting down an outdated or inefficient path when pivoting could unlock greater success. Don't be so rigid that you miss out on unexpected chances for growth. Pitfall 3. Ethical compromises. In the relentless pursuit of certain goals, there can be a temptation to take ethical shortcuts or compromise your values. This is especially dangerous in highly competitive environments. Always be vigilant about operating with integrity. If you find yourself rationalizing unethical behavior as a means to an end, that's a red flag to pause and realign with your principles. True success means achieving your goals through honorable means. By being aware of these potential pitfalls and actively taking steps to avoid them, you can maximize the benefits of goal achievement while steering clear of the drawbacks that could undermine your efforts. Remember, goal achievement is a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs, successes and setbacks, but by following this step-by-step roadmap and staying committed to your vision, you'll be well on your way to turning your dreams into reality. So, what dream have you been putting off, thinking it's too big or too far-fetched? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thank you.